Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to enable dark mode in YNAB. All right. So first up, if you're using a web browser, okay, you can just go ahead over to the top left, click on your plan. Okay. Now here we have the display option under the current plan. So just click on it. As you can see here, you will be able to find dark mode. Okay. Or if you're currently using dark mode in your computer, you can just go ahead and match the system right here. Or just basically click on dark mode. Once that's done, you can change the progress bars as well as the balance style. Okay. Now, if you're happy with that, just click on apply right here and you're good to go. Now, if you're using a mobile, okay, if you have the mobile app, so what you'll do is just go ahead over to your main settings or your phone's main settings and make sure that you change it to dark mode. Okay. You don't have to do something or do anything in your YNAB app, okay, as it will just copy the current setting that you have on your phone. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.